On late Sunday, November 25th, 2018, our most beloved Supreme Master Ching delighted our culturally diverse association members meditating at Shihu Ashram in Taiwan, also known as Formosa, with a surprise visit. Our loving master graciously set aside precious time to see fellow Kuan Yin practitioners, answered questions, and also provided caring advice about consuming leftover foods and when it is the best time to eat.
By the way, talking about flavor, if possible, you don't eat leftover food, okay? Yeah. Because the demons, they favor leftover food. So they will kind of take away the purity of the food. So if you eat it again, you're mixing with the demons' energy. Not too good, okay? Try to cook just enough and then you just eat that. Next time you cook again. The demons cannot go near you because if you keep the 5 precepts well and you meditate enough, the demons cannot go near you. But they don't have to go near you to take the flavor of the food. So if you eat again, it seems like you eat the leftover from the demons. If you cook a lot, you take out some that you eat only. And whatever left, that could be okay. And for example, if you are eating and you are busy, like me sometimes, then still some food left over and you're working, and you want to eat again later. Within 9 minutes, it's okay. After that, the demons are allowed to eat your food. Up to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's still a good time to eat. After that, it would be the taking over from the negative force. And then whatever you eat, it might not be easy to digest, or it might not make you that healthy as you would like to be, because it tainted with some negative influence. Up to 6 o'clock is okay. After 3 o'clock, it's already going to the negative zone of time in our world. Yeah, but up to 6 o'clock, the sun is still shining. The reason we still can eat up to 6 o'clock, because the sun always frightens these kind of demons, these kinds, and other lower kinds, weaker kind. Not all of them are frightened. But the demons, they are lowly anyway. So up to 6 o'clock, the sun is still there. Even though you don't see the sun, like a cloudy day, rainy day, the sun is still there. The sun's power is still radiating into the world. Thus, if you eat within these hours, up to 6 o'clock, from 3 o'clock morning, early morning, up to 6 o'clock in the afternoon, it is still okay. Better not eat after that.
Our association members are eternally grateful to Supreme Master Ching for always putting others' needs first by spending treasured time with fellow practitioners, showering them with abundant blessings, and lovingly offering guidance for their own spiritual benefit. May the heavenly beings continue protecting our beloved Master, and in divine elegance, we wish Master excellent health and longevity. Thank you forevermore. For the full broadcast of this lecture with Supreme Master Ching at the Shihu Ashram, please tune in to Between Master and Disciples at a later date.